Hello guys, and welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to remove or delete unwanted tag from your Facebook timeline. Okay, but before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload content about Facebook tips and tricks, you'll be able to get notified and watch the video. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to access my Facebook profile, as you can see on the screen right here. Now, when you get to your Facebook profile, next step you have to take is to, oh, sorry for the interruption. All right, so the next thing you have to do is to tap on your profile picture. And it takes you to your profile page. All you have to do is to scroll down and look for the tag from your Facebook timeline. All right, so you can see this this particular person here tagged me with about I was tagged with about 24 other people here, which I'm not really satisfied with the tag. So for you guys to remove the particular person that was tag you in your Facebook timeline, because if you don't remove unnecessary tag on your Facebook timeline, it's going to confuse some of your followers. That's one thing you need to understand, most especially if the tag has to do with someone that is a scammer. You can see this from the screen right here. This person here is a scammer, and they are trying to tag me with the post so that I will also be aware that this particular person scammed one of my friends. Okay, so in this regard, I don't want anything that has to do with that related to something of that nature. So I'm going to get rid of it from my Facebook timeline. So for you to get rid of unnecessary posts that was tagged you on your Facebook timeline, all you have to do is to click on here. Then from the drop down here, you need to select remove tag. So the next thing you have to do is to confirm. So review your post you are tagging and turn off this thing, you're setting this and that, not now. Boom. So the tag has been hide. You can see the instruction here. You can see it here. Post hidden. You won't see this post again. So that is how you guys can remove unwanted tag people on your Facebook timeline. I hope you learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to click on the like. Lastly but not the least, remember to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks about Facebook account. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.